Did you know that many people in Switzerland keep their money in a savings account earning almost no interest? Meanwhile, investors around the world grow their wealth by investing in the stock market. If you live in Switzerland and want to start investing but don't know where to begin, this video will help you understand the basics. In this guide, we will explain how investing works in Switzerland, what ETFs are, which platforms you can use, and how beginners can start building long-term wealth. Investing means putting your money into assets that can grow in value over time. Instead of letting your money sit in a bank account, you invest it in things like stocks, funds, or ETFs. The idea is simple: your money works for you. Over time, companies grow, markets grow, and your investment can grow with them. But investing is not about getting rich quickly. Successful investors usually focus on long-term growth and consistency. One of the most popular investment tools today is the ETF. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. An ETF is a fund that contains many different companies. Instead of buying shares of a single company, you buy a basket of many companies at once. For example, a global ETF can include thousands of companies from around the world. This makes ETFs very attractive for beginners because they offer instant diversification. Diversification means spreading your money across many companies so that your risk is lower. Because of this, ETFs are often considered one of the easiest ways to start investing. ETFs have become very popular among Swiss investors. There are three main reasons for this. First, ETFs usually have very low fees compared to traditional investment funds. Second, they provide diversification because they track entire markets. Third, ETFs are very simple to understand and easy to buy through online investment platforms. Many long-term investors build their entire portfolio using just a few well-diversified ETFs. If you want to buy ETFs in Switzerland, you need a brokerage platform. A broker is a service that allows you to buy and sell investments. Some popular platforms used by Swiss investors include Swissquote, PostFinance, and international brokers like Interactive Brokers. Swissquote is one of the most well-known Swiss online banks for investing. PostFinance is another option that many people in Switzerland already use for banking and investing. Interactive Brokers is popular because of its low fees and access to global markets. Before choosing a platform, it is always a good idea to compare trading fees, available ETFs, and account costs. Even small differences in fees can make a big difference over many years of investing. One of the most important principles of investing is thinking long-term. The stock market goes up and down in the short term, but historically, global markets have grown over long periods of time. This means investors who stay invested for many years often benefit from long-term growth. Instead of trying to predict the market, many investors focus on investing regularly and holding their investments for many years. This strategy is often called long-term investing. For beginners, the most important step is simply getting started. You do not need a huge amount of money to begin investing. Many investors start by investing a small amount every month. Over time, these regular investments can grow through compound growth. Compound growth means that your investment returns also start generating their own returns. This is one of the most powerful forces in investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Investing in Switzerland does not have to be complicated. By understanding the basics, choosing the right platform, and focusing on long-term investing, anyone can start building wealth step by step. If you want to learn more about investing, ETFs, and personal finance in Switzerland, subscribe to Swiss Money Academy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.